Hello everyone. Today we will explain the settings for FaceIK for Maya. Click the Settings button to display the settings window. First, please log into the account you created on our website. Enter your account, email address, and password. Passwords must contain at least one letter and one special character. Click Apply to make your settings changes take effect. Then let's add some custom metahumans. Add Tom and Mike. Click Apply. Then load these metahumans. Please ignore the error message as the account information is for demonstration purposes only. Enter the name of the head mesh in the face text box. The default value is the head LOD0 mesh shape. Enter the name of the teeth mesh in the teeth text box. The default value is the teeth LOD0 mesh shape. The stiffness parameter controls the rigidity of the face. Higher values make the face stiffer and less prone to deformation. The step parameter controls the number of iterations for the FaceIK algorithm. Higher values yield more accurate expressions. In most cases, these two parameters can remain at their default values. The speed parameter controls mouse sensitivity. Higher values result in faster expression changes. You can lower this value to achieve more subtle expression adjustments. The mirror tolerance parameter controls the maximum allowable deviation between a handle and its mirrored counterpart. Since metahuman faces typically exhibit slight left-right asymmetry, setting this parameter appropriately ensures all mirrored handles can be detected. Now let's take a look at the mirror move switch. This switch is enabled by default. Therefore, when you drag a handle, the mirror handle will move accordingly to achieve a symmetrical effect. You can turn it off to achieve a single-sided editing effect. Let's take a look at the UI panel. The point size parameter controls the display size of the handle. The point color parameter controls the color of the handles. Turning on the Show Lines switch will display the original position of the handle, along with lines connecting the original position to the deformed position. The Show Handles switch controls the on-off state of all handles. The Show Face Handles switch controls the on-off state of all handles on the face mesh. The Show Teeth Handles switch controls the on and off state of all handles on the teeth mesh. The hide back handles switch controls the on-off state for all rear handles. Finally, let's take a look at the Develop panel. The Show Debugger in which controls the display of certain log messages used for debugging. This will be very helpful when we encounter issues. That concludes the full introduction to FaceIK settings. Thanks for watching and see you next time.